So this is my solar power setup, or what I have of it so far. We first started filming this about a month ago, and I had zero experience with this. I had a ham radio, and that was about it. So I did a lot of reading and a lot of YouTube watching, just trying to figure out how I could connect a battery to as many outlets as possible to charge as many devices as possible. So as we're looking at this, everything is kind of centered around this. This is just an on-off switch. The power comes in through the solar panel into the charge controller, which then comes into the on-off switch. At the same time, the battery is also giving power to the on-off switch, which is connected to these outlets right here. And I have a cigarette lighter and then two USB ports. From the battery to the switch, I have a fuse, and that's just making sure that I don't put in too much power to my devices to burn anything. From the charge controller, I also have the option to charge something on the load, and right now it's set up to a barrel connector, a male end, which I can hook up to my ham radio port or anything else that has a female end to that. Another thing that I really like about this setup is I can actually use a computer charger, which I have right here. Just connect that right here, and you're going to see the power on the voltage go up. Okay, so it's a 14-volt charger that's now going to be charging the battery. And the charge controller is going to make sure that the battery doesn't go above what it should be. It'll stop charging it after that. So then I'll take that off, and you'll see that now we're topped off on the battery. It's going to drain down pretty quickly. Yeah. Oh, another thing that I did that was kind of fun for me, I got an LED light that I can hook up into the load. Can you see that? Okay. So I got an LED light that I can hook up to the load, just plug that in. And then it's a non-permanent source of light that I can unplug or plug in just whenever I need to. Something that I keep in with the rest of my cables in case I'm having to use this in the dark. So making this DVD with solar energy and communications has been a great learning experience for me. It's also been a lot of fun. I went from absolutely zero experience in this area to now being able to create a small prototype of basically a solar generator. And eventually I'm going to boost it up a level. I'm going to get a larger battery, a larger housing, so that I can maintain more devices for a longer period of time.